Welcome, in front of me is an Honor X8 and today I will show you how you can insert SIM and SD card into this device. Now, before we get started you will need to grab a SIM ejector which comes provided with the device in the box, but if you can't find it you could just grab a paper clip, straighten out one of the ends and it should work just as well. Now from there, once you have either one of those, you want to pop out the tray which is located on the top left side of the device, so right here where the pin is holding. Push the pin in and you will see that the tray comes out. And there, just pull it out all the way and you'll have space for either two different SIM cards, so you could place one of them sideways like this, or you can use one of each, which is what I will be doing. Like this. From there, carefully insert it back into your device. There we go. And the cards should start working right away. So let's see if we have any pop-ups or notifications about it. Nothing in here, so let's just go into the settings and storage. So it is detecting the SD card, obviously, as you can see, and we have reception, so it is reading the card as well. It's just not giving us any kind of notification about it. So there we go. Now, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.